Hello. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to perform a descriptive statistical analysis using Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, we have a data table, we have a summary statistics table, and we have a histogram. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to create these descriptive statistics using the data analysis Toolpak and how to create a histogram using the chart options in Excel. So to begin with, let me show you how to bring in the data analysis Toolpak that we need. So if you see on the right top corner, I have data analysis feature. If you don't see it in Excel, I'll show you how to bring it. Where you can find this data analysis option under the data tab. So you have home, insert, formulas, go to data tab, and you will see data analysis option. In case you don't see it, you have to go to file, go to options, and go to add-ins. General, there are many options under Excel option. Go to add-ins and you will see analysis Toolpak. If it is inactive, you have to make it active. If it is inactive, it will appear in the bottom part. So if it is inactive, for instance, if the date is inactive, I'm going to select it, press go. It will give me a prompt to select or unselect. So as you can see, I have already selected analysis Toolpak, and that's what it shows here. So if I uncheck it, it will go away from there. So as you can see, it's gone. It's gone. So I come here again. Let me show you. Go to option. If I'm fast, let me go get file. Go at the bottom, you'll see options, and under the option from the bottom, second one, add-ins analysis Toolpak. Now it has shown under inactive application add-ins. I'm going to select it and click go, select OK, and I will have this option available. Now let me remove this quickly and redo it one more time. So here is our table that represents sales of various stores of a retail chain. To start our descriptive statistical analysis, all we have to do is to select the sales here. And I'm going to go click data analysis. All right. And there are many tools available under data analysis. Many of these tools you have learned in the statistics course already. So I'm going to select descriptive statistics. Click OK. Now it's asking input range. All right, I'm going to select the input range. So the previous selection is not required. So I'm going to select now. Here, as you can see, I can press Control Shift on my keyboard or just scroll at the bottom till I see all of these dotted ones are covering the whole data. Next thing I'm going to check is labels in the first row. As you can see, we have a sales header. Where you want to show it, that will come under output options. So output range, where I want to show it, I can show it on the new workbook, I can show it new worksheet, or I can show it in the same worksheet somewhere here. So wherever I want to show, I click this arrow, I say please show it here and press enter. So after I press enter, I should also, one last thing before I hit OK here, summary statistics, check it, click OK. There we are. We have all the descriptive statistics available. What's the mean, the average of the whole data, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, skewness, variance, sum, count, all of this is available. So using this powerful feature of Excel, we are able to prepare descriptive statistics for our data. The next thing, what we are going to do is to prepare a histogram. All right, so what we're going to do is go to insert, and I'm going to select first two rows, and then I just press Control A on the keyboard. So the whole table is selected. Then I'm going to go to Insert tab on the top, Recommended Chart, and I'm going to select histogram from the list. So in the course we have shown you this, that there are many charting options available, which comes under data presentation when it comes to statistics. So I'm going to select histogram here, click OK. So here we have our histogram, and I'm expanding it so you can see the distribution. One more thing I need to do, click on the bar, all right, and then right click, add data labels, and now we have the data labels on top of the chart. So what we see here is the count of the stores, and what we see at the horizontal x-axis is the range of sales they have made. So there are 31 stores who have made sales between 10,000 to 13,000, and there are 39 stores having a sales between 16.9 to 20.3 thousand. So in order to understand this data a little bit, I'm going to go to my table again, and in the table I'm going to filter for this value. Filter for this value of 16,911 to 2311, which is the sales of the stores. So when I'm going to filter that range, I should get 39 stores. So let's see how we can do it. So I'm going to go to the sales, I'm going to go to data, select filter option under sort and filter, and here I'm going to select sales, select number filter, select equal, greater than. Now I'm going to select between, and I'm going to input this number. The number is 16911 and 2311. All right, I'm gonna hit OK, and all I have to do is to count. Now we should get 39 stores, so I'm gonna go and select where can I see the value. Count 39 in the status bar here at the bottom. If you see, count 39 stores. So 39 store has sales between 16.5 to 20. So as you can see, the number is ranging between the same. So that concludes our analysis in Excel. That covers basically two important things in statistical analysis: descriptive statistics as well as histogram. So this chart is actually our histogram showing our data in a bar chart fashion with different ranges, categories, and the count of stores. Thank you.